Hey, what's up guys? It's Jonathan here. So on this channel, we always talk about how you could grow your money by investing it in different assets. This can be very easy to do if you make a lot of money and you're not living paycheck to paycheck. But for those of you who are living paycheck to paycheck, it's not so easy to put money into investments when you're using all your money just to survive. So because of this, I decided to make a series talking about how to create a Fiverr store. And in this series, I plan to go A to Z on how you could build your own Fiverr store. And for me, I have no experience selling services on Fiverr, so this will be a brand new experience for me as it will be for you as well. So my plan is to document the process and go step by step with you guys on how to start your own Fiverr business. I plan to do this in a multi-video series, so stay tuned on updates to this series. Another thing that inspired me to do this series as well is hearing the story of Alex Farsulu. She went from making $36,000 at her 9-to-5 job to making almost $400,000 on Fiverr as a freelancer. And she did this with the same skills that she used at her $36,000 a year job. This inspired me thus to show people how the skills that you already have can be very valuable if you are willing to put in a little bit more work. So my game plan for this series is to create a Fiverr store offering services that I already use at my job already. And the reason why I'm going to use skills that I already know is to avoid the learning curve of trying to learn a new skill. Because I use these skills almost every day at my job, it'll make it very easy for me to adapt these skills into a profitable business. So the first thing I plan to do is to start researching. And pretty much I plan to research by just looking up everything that has to do with the Fiverr platform, with my niche on Fiverr, and by looking through multiple videos on YouTube and any other free resource that I get my hands on. So I plan to put all my research either in the description down below or in the little circle with the eye in the middle on the upper right hand corner of your screen. After I felt like I've done adequate research, I plan to then move on to executing and creating a Fiverr store and developing a clientele and building a reputation on Fiverr. And one of my biggest things is that I don't plan on spending any money on education. So I won't buy any of the courses that experienced people on Fiverr might sell or these gurus might sell. I'm just going to simply use free resources, and the only money I plan on spending is maybe on some software. So I use Apple computers, and as an engineer, I know I will get a lot of hate from the engineering community that I use Apple products, but I personally like them a lot better than Windows products. But that's a different story. Depending on what I decide to do on Fiverr, I may have to purchase some Microsoft Office software. I'll keep you guys informed if I decide to do that or not. And in this series, I plan to give you guys weekly updates on how the business is progressing. So if you guys aren't subscribed, I highly recommend that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video discussing this series. So that's it. This was pretty much just supposed to be an introduction video to the series. Stay tuned. Like I said, subscribe, hit the notification bell. As always, hit the like button. It greatly helps out the channel. It helps the channel grow, and it helps me out a lot as well. Check me out on all my social medias. I try to post there every day. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.